for watching. This kid right here is gonna make a popping what?
Paper thing.
A popping paper thing, yeah. This has been around forever, since the 80s, or maybe older. Fold the paper in half.
Like that.
All right, you guys got that? Regular
you
standard
take
piece of
it.
paper. You sure you know what you're doing?
Yes, I should.
All right, then you folded the other half, I think he's doing, right?
Then you just keep it like that and fold it from that crease.
Okay, so now you got like a box.
Then you take a small part of the piece of paper,
Okay.
push that up, hold this and go.
Hold on, you did
Darn
it too
it, I
fast.
did it too fast.
All right, try again. This kid's... Dang, that was loud, blew my ears out. Do it once more.
Okay.
Is that cool? What do you want
He
to tell?
hates it. What?
This guy hates it. Thanks for watching, bye.